Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're just going to make a very easy basic application for banned users. So basically, if you try and log into a site like a forum or something like that and you type in your name and you're on the naughty list, it won't let you in. So we're going to start off and I'm going to import a module called time here. This is the first thing we're going to import, and I'm going to create a function called banned. So this is the first function here. So let's have a look. Banned user, banned users here. So banned users is equal to just going to create a little list here. Let's put Dave, Pete and Joe. They've all been naughty users and the forum has banned them from logging in. They're on the naughty list basically. So let's have a look. Name is equal to input. Name is equal to input. Enter user name. So you enter your username in here. Okay, so we're going to do the conditional here now. So if name not in banned users, so if your name isn't in the on the naughty list, in the banned users list, we're going to hit print name, which will be your name that you entered, and a message. Whoops, a message, and literally is not on the banned list. Okay, so it'll tell you that you're not on the ban list. Let's just make that look close the gap there, make it look a little bit better. Okay, and if it is, we're going to go on to another function called, what am I going to call this? Oh dear, I haven't closed that off, have I? Yeah, okay, so we're going to go on to another method and I'm going to call it read message. Okay, else. Okay, so we've got else here. Print checking 1 2. Okay, and this is where we're going to use the time module, time.sleep. So basically it gives it a little bit of a pause, and we're going to give it a pause for 1 second. So it gives the impression that we're searching for the name on the system. So let's have time.sleep, and then after that we get the message. So it's going to print the name that you entered. Okay, and we'll get the message here is on the banned list. Okay, is on the ban list, and then I'll just do a new line there. Another message I think we'll print on here is this program will now quit. Okay, so we're just going to quit the program, just another new line there, and then we're going to type in the quit command here. So that's going to be quit. Okay, right, we're going to create the next function here. So the next function is called read message. So define read message. This is the next function. So like I say, if we go through the conditional here, if your name isn't on the banned users list, it's going to refer it to this function here, read message. Okay, let's see what's going to happen here. So print. Let's just print a message to the reader so the reader knows what's going on. Let's say you are, let's say, not a troll. You can enter. Okay, you're not a troll, you can enter. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to open up a little file that you can read. So we're going to say with open. I've already created this file on my drive here, and it's called b.txt, and there's a message in there. Okay, b.txt as file object, and the next one is contents is equal to file object dot read, and then what we're going to do is we're going to print the contents. Print contents. Okay, and now we're going to go down and we're going to call this, and we're going to call it by band. Okay, so now we're just going to share this, save as, and let's run it. Okay, here we go. Run module, enter username. Okay, so I'm going to enter one of the band usernames here, so I'm going to enter Joe. Okay, checking. Okay, this program will now quit because it says here Joe is on the ban list. Okay, let me run it again, and this time let me just shrink this down so we can see what's going on. This time we're going to put just like Mark in there and see what happens. Mark is not on the ban list. You are not a troll. You can enter. You're allowed to see this because you are not on the ban list. Okay, right here we've just opened up one of these files, which is B. Okay, and this is the message. Let me just find the B for you. It's here somewhere, B. Okay, and there you go. That's the exact same message that we got here because we just opened the file. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that, and as always, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie, and remember to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.